Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Light Couponer. Today we are heading in store at Kroger on October the 6th of 2021. It's Wednesday, and that means we have a brand new Kroger sale. We have a new buy 6 or more, save 50 cents off of each item mega. You don't have to buy 6 of the same thing. You can mix and match. So you don't have to buy 6 items of the same item. You can get 6 or more of anything that's included in the mega, which is super, super sweet. So we do have a printable breakdown as well in the description box. If you want to look at the deals typed out for you guys, you can print it out and take it with you to the store, which is awesome. And yeah, super, super excited for all these great mega event deals. Let's just dive right in. I definitely want to remind you guys of the weekly digital deals this week. See, we have some absolutely amazing weekly digital deals, but my favorites are the Kroger orange juice for $1.88, the 32-ounce Kroger cheese for $3.97, and the Lay's chips for $2.47 for the party size bags, and then also the Freshetta pizzas for $2.97. All these deals are really, really great. You can load the digital coupons to your Kroger card to get these prices, and they can be used up to 5 times in a single transaction, which is amazing. We have free oat milk over at Kroger this week. This is so amazing. So the Chobani oat milk is regularly $4.99, but it's on the mega sale for $2.99. We have an awesome digital coupon right now for $1 off when you buy one. So use the digital. You're going to pay $1.99, but it gets sweeter because Ibotta has a rebate for $2 back, making this one a complete freebie, which is so, so, so great. So free oat milk at Kroger. I really can't believe we still have this freebie on the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust, but we do. These are $2.99 each over here at Kroger, and Swagbucks has a rebate for $6 back if you purchase any 2 of these. So actually this is going to make both of these totally free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And they're just over here with the spices at Kroger, just randomly mixed in. You'd think this would be with the cereal, but it's not. It's with the spices. So really an awesome, awesome deal for the Cinnadust powder. We have an amazing deal on the Bubbly Boost sparkling water. If you can find that, it is in a single can like this, but it's the Bubbly Boost variety. There's $1.59 over here at Kroger, and Ibotta has an awesome rebate that they put up for $1.49 back when you buy one. Literally just making these 10 cents. 10 cents. Come on, awesome. Another really, really amazing deal we have at Kroger with just coupons is the Hall's Cough Drops. These are $1.89 each. We have a printable coupon for $1.50 off when you buy one, which literally drops these down to just 39 cents, which is a really awesome price. So great deal. And the printable is in the description box. We have such a great deal on the Colgate Total toothpaste. I do like to get toothpaste for free, but 49 cents is really awesome. You really can't complain. So the Colgate Totals are $2.49 mega sale price, and we do have a digital coupon for $2 off any one Colgate Total. That's not making these just 49 cents. So do have some other kinds that it works on, but they're more expensive, and we're not about that. So 49 cents for the Colgate Total. This is such a good deal on these Well Yes soups. They have so many different varieties, like so many. But these are on sale right now for $5. That's just $1.25 each. So you can go ahead and pick up 3 different cans of soup. That's going to be $3.75. We have a rebate over on Ibotta for 75 cents back when you buy 3 of these. And we also have a Kroger cashback for 75 cents back when you buy 3. So in the end, it drops this down to just $2.25 for all 3 of these, or 75 cents a can, which is amazing when they're regularly $2.99. So great deal on the soup at Kroger. Y'all, we have such a good deal on the Ajax dish soap. These big ones are $1.49 mega, and we have an awesome coupon from an insert. I believe it was like $9.26 or something. I'll have the exact date in the printable list and in the in card. But after you use that coupon, it makes these 99 cents a bottle, and these are huge bottles of dish soap. So that is definitely winning right there. We have a really, really good Airwick, a couple really good Airwick deals actually. The first one is a mega sale deal on the Airwick Essential Starter Kit things. It has a warmer and a scent booster thing, or oil, or I don't know what they're called. I'm not an expert on air freshener, but they're $3.49 each mega sale. We have a $1.50 printable coupon on the Airwick site, so use that. You're going to pay $1.99 out of pocket. Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back, just making these 99 cents, which is pretty sweet. And then we also have a really good deal if I can find them. I don't even see where they usually are. Anyway, it's the Airwick, right in front of me. The Airwick warmers, these are $2.79 each. We have an awesome printable coupon right now for $1.75 off of any Airwick warmers. It'll work on these, making it $1.04 for a 2-pack, which is awesome. Just a friendly reminder, any printable coupons I have are in the description box below for you all to print. And also in the description box below are the link to this week's new printable coupons. Just to remind you guys, it greatly does help me out when you all print coupons using my link, and it's one of the great ways that you can support my channel and allow me to keep on doing these videos. So please consider doing that by clicking on the printable coupons in the description and grabbing the new ones for this week. But awesome Airwick deals. Alright guys, we also have a really good deal on the soft soap foaming tablet starter kit. You can also get the refills, but if you don't have the starter kit, then it's kind of not going to do any good. So here's the deal. It's $4.99. We have a $2 off of one digital coupon currently available for this product, which is awesome. And then we also have a rebate on Ibotta for $2 back, making it just 99 cents, which is amazing. If you do already happen to have this and you just want the refills, you can do that. They're $3.99. Same $2 digital would apply, making it $1.99, and get $1.50 Ibotta, making it 49 cents. Awesome deal. If you guys aren't already on the rebate apps, by the way, you totally should hop on those. I have my referral codes to all the rebate apps linked in the description box below. So please consider signing up for the apps using my links if you haven't already. It does benefit me, but it also helps you guys out too, because you typically will get a little bonus when you sign up with somebody's code. So that's all available in the description box, and it's greatly appreciated. All right, back to the deals. We have a really good deal on the Thomas croissants, which I actually don't see them. Really weird. They usually have them, but anyway. Thank you to Total Savings on Instagram for sharing. But the Thomas croissants are $2.49 each over here at Kroger. We have a rebate over on Ibotta right now for $1 back when you buy one, which is awesome. And then we have a rebate over on Kroger Cashback for 50 cents back when you buy one. So it literally makes them just 99 cents. It is an amazing deal. So hopefully you guys can find them. I don't know if my store's just like out or what, but anyway, really good deal. All right, so we have a pretty decent deal on the Garnier Shampoo. These are on our mega sale for $2.49 each. We have a super awesome coupon right now for $3 off of 2 that came out in the 9/26 save insert. So it actually just makes them 99 cents a bottle. Pretty good savings. I mean, if you're really stocked up on this, I wouldn't pay 99 cents. But if you need shampoo, this is not a bad price. We do have the cream matte pasta right now for 49 cents mega, as you're going to see in a little bit. However, if you want one for Ibotta bonuses or just a healthier option, I guess, we have these Veggie Craft ones. They're on sale right now for $3. We do have a rebate on Ibotta for $2 back if you purchase one of these. Literally just making these $1, which is definitely not bad at all. We have an awesome deal on the Country Crock plant butter. It's not marked, but it's actually on sale this week for $2.29. We have a digital coupon over on the Kroger website for $1 off when you buy one. So it just makes these $1.29 each, which is absolutely amazing for this product. We have a really awesome deal on the Kin's dressing. So they're on our mega sale right now for $1.99 each. And just for the regular dressing, there's a rebate on Ibotta for 65 cents back on one. If you get the vinaigrette, the Simply Vinaigrette kinds, there is a rebate for 75 cents back on one. So these would be $1.34 each. And then these would just be $1.24, which honestly, like, that is just a really good deal. So great deal on the Kin's. We also have a pretty good deal on Kellogg's cereals. These are $1.79 each with our mega event. We have a printable coupon on the Kellogg site for $1 off of any 2, and so it's just going to make these $1.29 a box, down from like $3.79 for some of these. That's a pretty good savings. I usually say $1 or less, but with the way prices keep going up, I think $1.29 is a really good stock up price. And I love this about Kellogg's. They had this last year too. If you buy a box that's marked with these free book things, you can go on and order free books. Like, seriously, you can get free books. Like, Kellogg's will send them to you in the mail. There's a ton of different varieties. They're really nice books. So totally a great option for the Kellogg's deal. Just make sure you get boxes that are marked with that, but really awesome. We have a really good deal on the Febreze products, and this is only valid through this weekend because the coupon ends this weekend. But the Febreze sprays are $2.49 each on our mega sale, and we have $1 off of one coupon from this last P&G, so this makes these $1.49 each, down from $3.79. Like, that's a pretty decent savings. So great little deal there. Pretty decent savings actually on the sparkle paper towels right now. These are $5.49 mega, and these are a really big pack. And we have a digital coupon for 75 cents off of one, so this makes it $5.24. I know it says brownie, but it's brownie and sparkle included. So pretty good savings. I also just want to look at the no coupons needed deals, just the really good deals that are on our mega that don't take coupons or anything. They're just on the mega sale and super easy. In this event, we actually have quite a few just really good sales. Don't even require coupons. So awesome. Another really good no coupons needed deal is on the Kroger brand apple juice. These are on the mega sale for just 99 cents. That is an amazing stock up price. Another good little no coupons needed deal is on the Cracker Barrel cheese cubes. They're just 99 cents, and these are really good too. So great price. By far, one of my favorite deals on this mega event has got to be the Kroger brand sour cream cottage cheese, and they also have like some dip, which I don't see it. Oh, it's over here. Some of them are even cheaper at 82 cents, but we have a bunch of the Kroger sour cream, cottage cheese, and dip. They're on the mega sale for 89 cents. Phenomenal. No coupons needed at all. Stock up price. Like, this is so great. Awesome deal. Another really good no coupons needed is on the Tamco Punch. They're just 99 cents. We've seen them cheaper, but that's still a really good price. So, good no coupons needed deal. Another decent savings is the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. If you didn't stock up on these over the summer, this is not bad. They're $1.29 each, mega sale price. By far one of the best mega sale deals, no coupons needed, is on the cremette pasta. People are already wiping it out, but they're 49 cents a box, regularly 99 cents, which is an amazing deal. Awesome. Also included is the Ronzoni Garden Delight at 49 cents. So both brands are on the sale for 49 cents, which is amazing. This isn't a horrible deal, I don't think, on the Seattle's Best Coffee at $3.99 if you are looking for a cheap deal on coffee this week. They also have the big cans of the Kroger coffee for $4.49. So if you're into that instead, that is an option as well. We also have the Kleenexes for $1.29, no coupons needed. You know, not too shabby of a deal. Another pretty good no coupons needed on the Kroger plastic forks, spoons, stuff like that. They're just from $1.79 down to $1.09. Good savings on stuff we don't usually have savings on. So yeah, guys, that's all that I have for this week's Kroger Best In-Store Deals video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to follow along my channel to see even more Kroger deals throughout the week and next. This is a really good mega. It's going on for 2 weeks, so lots more time for deals. And yeah, that's all I got. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget the things I said in the beginning about the printable breakdown for your reference, the new printables for this week, and the rebate app referrals so you can get on the rebate apps and do these deals too. Remember all that? And yeah, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching.